Well, we're back out here at Swan Island Dahlias. Heather, so not only do you guys do dahlias, you have great dahlia-themed gifts.
We do. We have lots of options. Some are more specialty than others, but a lot of options for different flower or gardening type gifts.
Because you guys are, you're one of the biggest dahlia people around.
We do. You know, dahlia stuff is hard to locate, though. We've worked really hard. The wine glasses and pint glasses come from an artist out of Eugene, and so they hand etch all of them.
Oh,
so
that's great to have that,
amazing.
That local flair to it.
Yeah, it is kind of fun.
I mean, even the salad.
Yeah, these are from a couple ladies in Washington that do they make the actual spoons out of wood from their farm, and then they do the hand burning. So I think it's really cool.
Very cool. And and the gift cards and the coffee mugs and just all sorts. You walk through the gift shop and there's all sorts of things in there.
We do. We have a lot of gardening items or gardening centered, but then we also carry a lot of non-gardening items. So
right. Just looking at even if you don't want a dahlia theme, but the bird baths and some of the art and the bee houses and things like that are super fun to come out.
Lots of options.
So so you not only can you come out to the farm out here and you can look at the display gardens, you can walk the fields, you can get your cut flowers, but you could also peruse your gift shops on the indoor.
Yeah. So the gift shop stays open year round.
Oh, nice.
But during August and September, just like the fields, it'll be open 6 days a week. So.
Okay, because you guys are going to be closed on Wednesdays now, just to recoup a little bit.
Yes.
And as far as people that are used to coming out for the festival, that's not happening this year, right?
No festival, unfortunately.
Right, but you're still open.
We are still open, but we're trying to spread out our visitors so that we can stay open and allow visitors. So if you're used to coming only Labor Day weekend or only the festival weekends, come other times to help us spread out the visitors.
Right, and when you're out here, make sure you're wearing your mask.
Yes, indoors we must have masks. We recommend it outside if we're crowded, but it's not required outdoor at this moment. But we'll see what our requirements are.
Because they're changing all the time. So you can go to your website or your Facebook page for all the updated information.
Yeah,
right?
Social media is the easiest and quickest way to see the happenings or what's required at that time.
What's going on. And you can also go to gardentime.tv and we can click you over to that. But it's great to be out here and to see all these wonderful gifts that you have, and
Thank you.
Enjoy the whole dahlia experience.
Yeah, you can enjoy the afternoon or the morning.
Great. So thank you for having us. It's
You're
been
welcome.
a pleasure.